Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you trade crypto in Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application at very first. And after opening the Binance application, you can choose so many actions from this homepage. Now, first of all, you just simply have to select any of the assets, or you can first go to trades. And after going into trades, if you want to buy something, or if you want to farm something, or conversion, or something other than that, just simply make sure what you want to do. And after choosing the asset, choose the actions such as buy and sell, and you will see a lot of options into here such as price, and just simply select the amount which you would like to buy and sell, and then you will get the option of margin buy if you want to buy, and you can select the option of sell and tap to margin sell. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.